So I am presenting my supply chain management application built with Django. This is a comprehensive application designed for managing public sector construction projects with role-based access control for local councils, contractors, and companies. Let me walk you through the development process, architecture, and its features. So, first, let me open my terminal and then um, let me open. So here now I want to show you all my Git log history. So bear with me, please. Okay, so this is my Git commit history, which demonstrates the incremental development of the application. As you can see, I have around 17 commits that show the progression from initial setup to completion, starting from here. So from the bottom here is the initial Django project setup with configuration. Then I have the core app with 4 models that includes profile, project, feature, and bid models. And then progressing up, I have the other things that I committed. So I want to show you a detailed commit of any one. So let's just go for this one. D1 A2B40 STAT step. Okay, so here is the detailed commit that I did when I added the models, and so I just committed when I finished adding models. So this is it. Now let's go back to my code where I'm going to explain some database um, models and database. So first let's go to models. So here I have added all the models that I talked about earlier: profile, feature, and then project, and then bid, and all of it. So here's the profile model. It extends Django's built-in user model with one-to-one relationship. It defines 3 roles: local counsel, who just creates the project, and then there is company, who monitors progress and monitors the contractors who bid on the project, and the contractor who bids on the project. So coming down, this is the um, feature model. It represents project requirements like road construction, and then bridge building allows categorization of filtering of projects. So coming down to project model, so this one is the core of the application. So this model, it has 4 status: draft, open, in progress, and completed. The relationships that I've used are foreign key relationships, as you can notice. um, it has a foreign key to the user who created it, another foreign key for the assigned company, and then a many-to-many relationship with features, as you can see over here. Many-to-many fit. and all the foreign keys over here and over here. So now let's go over here about bid model. This is what connects contractors to projects. The important part here is the unique together constraint, um, right over here, and this ensures one contractor can only submit one bid per project, preventing bid manipulation. I think this is another a extra feature that I believe was important. So I want to show you all the project and the interface. So let's just open a terminal, and then I want to run this project. Okay, so it runs of let's actually run the project incognito. This okay, so this is the interface of the project. You can see the projects over here. Here you can log in or register. This is the project over here. Currently there are no bids, so this is the description of the project. This is another project, and then while we click on register, we can actually register ourselves, which I'll be doing in a minute. And then this is a login where we can log in ourselves, which also I'll be doing in a minute with the saved credentials, and we can also search the project. So this is how it looks right now. So let's go to our code. Now I want to show you the views and the URL mapping. So let's go to the views. Okay. So this application follows Django's MVT pattern, which is function-based views. Let me explain the key views and their URL mappings. So if we check over here, this is a project list view is mapped to the root project's URL. It implements search functionality using queue objects, filtering by features, sorting, and pagination. This view is accessible to all users, even those who are not logged in. They can also view this. I mean, access this. And then if we scroll down, this is project detail view, which shows different information based on the user role. Local councils see all the bids on their project, companies see accepted bids on the assigned project, and the contractors only see their own bids. So this is role based visibility action. So that is what I did. And then if we scroll down over here, you can see project creation. Project creation is protected by two decorators over here. Login required, which is this one, and then another is its local council. Um, this ensures only authenticated local council users can create project. The decorator pattern makes this security check reusable across multiple views. And then for the bidding, over here, project creation is protected by two decorators. We explain that now. The bidding view has business logic validation. It checks that the project status is open over in this line, and it prevents duplicate bids by checking if a bid is already existing for this contractor on this project. If the validation passes, it creates bid. Okay, so moving down, this one, um, when a council accepts a bid, this view does several things automatically. First is it checks it changes if the if the council accepts a bid, it changes the status to accepted automatically right over here. And then if the and the contractor who the contractor to the project as it assigns the contractor to the project as assigned company, and changes the project status to in progress. And then and this like demonstrates how views contain a business logic. So now let's go to URLs. Here, all the URLs are namespaced on the project, which allows for clean URL reversing in templates. You can see the URL patterns. Use angle brackets for parameters right over here, and then for brackets, use angle brackets for parameters like project ID. So this is it. So I want to show you the templates of this Django application, which this is it includes Bulma CSS framework from a CDN, includes a navbar partial and also it implements Django's messages framework for user feedback and defines a content block that child templates override. This is the master template. So as you can see, this is what I was talking about for partial navbar HTML. This is it pulls in the navbar from a partial template, making it reusable. So I want to go to hold up. I want to show you something. Um, templates and projects, and I want to show you list. So all other templates extend base.html using this extends tag, then override the content block. This ensures every page has same navigation, styling, and message display without repeating code. This is the don't repeat yourself or DRY principle, which I think is an extra feature for this project. I took help of I took inspiration from other projects and took a little bit of AI help to build this. And now in this project folders in this project the templates, the folders and the templates are organized by feature area, like project, bids, authorization, dashboard, and features. Each area has its own folder, making the code base maintainable and also scalable. Now let me demonstrate other things, such as, like I said, we would show how to register someone. So for registering, let's just fill in the form. For username, I will just write demo underscore council, and email I will write council at example.com, and for the password I will just write test pass 123. Now let me confirm it, test pass 123. And for the display name I will just write demo council over here, and my role is obviously local council, so let's just register it. And as you can see, there's a message, and then here is me over here. Now after registration I'm like logged in automatically and then redirected to the project list, so there is no other stuff. So now do a I can do the bidding, I can do anything that I want from here, and then I can just do all of this right over here. As you can see, Now let's try and register as a contractor now. Now I'm logged in as a contractor over here, and then now I can see my bids over here if I had placed anything. So let's just say I place some amount over here, and then over here, submit it. Now in my bids I can see all of this, and also notice when I place a bid, it says you have already placed a bid. So yeah, I cannot duplicate my bid. So except for the basic requirements, I have also added some extra features, and one of them is automated testing. So here if I run python manage.py and test, it is supposed to run a comprehensive test suite. So it is running a test, and yep, so all the 5 tests pass successfully. These tests covers model creation, view access control, and business logic validation, which is tested and no errors found. So this is a extra feature that I added in this project. That I wanted to show, which I forgot to mention earlier, was that I've made this responsive. So sorry, um python manage.py. So if I run the server now, and then try to, so as you can see, this is fully responsive. As you can see right over here, this is responsive. And yep, so this is the feature that I wanted to show you. To conclude this, I have demonstrated a complete Git commit history showing incremental development of the project right over here, and I have also shown you a detailed Git history over here, and then I have also explained the 4 main interconnected models with proper relationship, that is one-to-one, foreign keys, and many-to-many. I've also explained the Django admin configuration, function-based views, implementing the MVT pattern with role-based access control, clean URL routing with namespacing, and template inheritance for consistent UI, and the dry principle, which is the RY principle, a fully functional application where a contractor can place bids and all of that, where we can register, where we can log in, and additional features, including the automated testing and responsiveness and security through decorators. So this supply chain application demonstrates best practices in Django development, including proper separations of concerns, security through role-based access control, and a clean, maintainable code base. Thank you for watching. This is Arman Bohra. My student ID is 77576079. Thank you.